Uniswap value equivalent to $4.3294 a coin. The present reach: $4.3265, $4.5002. The earlier day close: $4.4143. The change was 0.0849, 1.92%. Opposite rate: United States dollars to UNI. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost forecast for September 2023. First and foremost, cost at $4.37. Greatest cost $4.72, least cost $4.03. The normal for the month $4.38. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.41, change for September 0.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. To start with, cost at $4.41. Greatest cost $5.09, least cost $4.07. The normal for the month $4.49. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.39, change for October 0.5%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2023. Initially cost at $4.39. Greatest cost $4.78, least cost $3.43. The normal for the month $4.07. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.69, change for November 15.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $3.69. Most extreme cost $4.58, least cost $3.69. The normal for the month $4.06. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $4.28, change for December 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2024. Initially cost at $4.28. Most extreme cost $4.80, least cost $4.18. The normal for the month $4.44. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $4.49, change for January 4.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. In the first place, cost at $4.49. Greatest cost $4.49, least cost $3.85. The normal for the month $4.24. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.14, change for February 7.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $4.14. Most extreme cost $4.14, least cost $3.47. The normal for the month $3.87. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.73, change for spring 9.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. At the outset, cost at $3.73. Most extreme cost $3.73, least cost $3.24. The normal for the month $3.55. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.48, change for April 6.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at $3.48. Most extreme cost $3.68, least cost $3.20. The normal for the month $3.45. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.44, change for May 1.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $3.44. Most extreme cost $4.27, least cost $3.44. The normal for the month $3.79. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.99, change for June 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at $3.99. Greatest cost $3.99, least cost $3.27. The normal for the month $3.69. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.52, change for July 11.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. To start with, cost at $3.52. Greatest cost $3.52, least cost $2.75. The normal for the month $3.19. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $2.96, change for August 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $2.96. Most extreme cost $3.41, least cost $2.96. The normal for the month $3.13. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.19, change for September 7.8%. Uniswap cost expectation for November 2025. Before all else cost at $1.09. Most extreme cost $1.35, least cost $1.09. The normal for the month $1.20. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.26, change for November 15.6%. Unity United States dollars expectations for December 2025. To start with cost at $1.26. Greatest cost $1.52, least cost $1.26. The normal for the month $1.37. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.42, change for December 12.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for January 2026. In the first place cost at $1.42. Greatest cost $1.42, least cost $1.11. The normal for the month $1.29. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $1.19, change for January 16.2%. Unity United States dollars expectations for February 2026. Initially cost at $1.19. Most extreme cost $1.19, least cost 93 cents. The normal for the month $1.08. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1, change for February 16.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for WAC 2026. At the outset cost at $1.00. Most extreme cost $1.24, least cost $1. The normal for the month $1.10. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.16, change for spring 16.0%. Unity United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $1.16. Greatest cost $1.44, least cost $1.16. The normal for the month $1.28. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.35, change for April 16.4%. Uniswap cost expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at $1.35. Most extreme cost $1.68, least cost $1.35. The normal for the month $1.49. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.57, change for May 16.3%. Unity United States dollars expectations for June 2026. To start with cost at $1.57. Greatest